What is this? Alright. So, I got my water here. And, yeah. Let's get into today's video. So, if you haven't already, go down, hit the like button. Well, I mean, you don't really have to hit the like button because you haven't even really seen anything on today's video. But if you can, go down, hit the subscribe button, and let's get into this. So, today's video, I don't even know. I didn't come down here with a plan. Basically, I'm just gonna wing it. So, let's talk advertising. So I've had this idea for a long time, right? Nowadays, you always hear of all this stuff, right? Like pay it forward, or you hear all these people in the drive-thru who basically pay for the car behind them, and then they just they pay for the car, and then it just kind of continues, right? Rolls, just keeps going, eventually it ends. But here's an idea for you guys, okay? I no longer advertise on my trucks or trailers. Personal reasons. I like to drive fast. I like to cut people off. No, I'm just kidding. But I'm no longer advertising to expand. Now I'm working for some management companies, and I've got all the work I want, so I'm getting old. I'd like to make some YouTube videos for you guys here and show you guys what, I don't know, just talk, help you guys grow. Now, for those who know me, they know I like to help people. So if you're a part of my circle, I want to see you grow. I want to see you succeed. I want to help others succeed. Now, this kind of came to my attention last year. Yeah, when someone pointed it out, like, hey, you really enjoy helping people. And I have for years. Now, all right, so back to the drive-thru. Basically, here's the deal. If you've got some good logos, some good numbers, if you have a trailer or a truck for that matter, I don't care, you can have a truck, but you need to have like the back tailgate just plastered with your logo and phone number, okay? So basically what you're gonna do now, if you have employees who drive your trucks, or if you are an owner operator and you drive your truck yourself, right? Go to McDonald's or any other fast food / restaurant that has a drive-thru, okay? It's easier to do it in the drive-thru versus like in person or something. But check this out. Go through the drive-thru, order yourself some freaking spicy McChicken sandwiches. Or, what do you call it? I forget what they call it. Dang it! McDouble, no, I don't know, something. It's gonna bother me. Anyways, you can even order a Royale with cheese if you want to. If you know what that is. Yes. So, anyways, back to basically just go buy something, right? Go buy something in the drive-thru, and then basically pay for the order behind you when you go and pay. Now, this is going to be kind of like a pay it forward type of deal, right? Where you're paying for the car behind you. Now, when they pull up to the window, they've been sitting there staring at your tailgate. They probably see your name. They probably know. They'd probably be like, Premier Lawn Services. Okay. Now, here's the thing. This isn't something that's going to boost your business, right? But there's a chance that it could boost your presence. Now, basically what I mean is, nowadays everybody has a phone, right? So somebody might get on their phone and be like, they're going to pull up to the window. It's role play here. They're going to roll up to the window, go to pay. They're going to be like, hey, those guys paid for you. Now, nowadays, I've seen people do it, but they get on their phone. Oh, thank you to whoever paid for my meal at the McDonald's or Panda Express. They are going to go on there and not only say, oh, hey, thank you to whoever paid for my meal. No, they're going to say, hey, guys, thank you to Premier Lawn Services for paying for my meal today at McDonald's. Lunch, dinner, breakfast, I don't care. You go to Starbucks, buy somebody Starbucks. But the gist of it is you're getting your name out there. And in a good way, right? Not some like person being like, oh, these guys cut me off, they're jackass. You know what I mean? Basically, it's going to be a good idea to do this because it's going to get your name out there. If you have a Facebook page or a website, those guys might go and give you a good review, okay? You see where I'm going with this. It's just going to trickle. Now, it may not do that right off the bat. I don't know, first time, maybe it won't work. But keep doing it. Just once a week, go to McDonald's. Spend $5. You're going to go to the gas station and buy $5 worth of Red Bull or Monster anyways. Skip that one day and go pay for somebody's meal. The way I look at it is that is golden. It is golden for your company. I don't know, man. Like, I would remember if I own a business, so I kind of pay attention to other people's logos and stuff. But I feel I would be like, thank you. And I'd go on Facebook and be like, thank you at Premier Lawn Services for, buying my McDonald's today. I don't know. Worth a shot? I don't know. Will it work? I don't know. Have you seen that reel? I don't know. But try it. If you try it, let me know. Like, comment down below and try it. $5. Buy some hot and spicy sandwiches or some McDoubles. Oh, that's what they're called. Order a McBitchin. Yeah. If you don't know what a McBitchin is, order it. Nowadays, I guess most people probably aren't going to know what that is at McDonald's. But there is a McDonald's here close by that still know what that is. So, anyways, that's it. I'm done. I'm out of here. I'm going to go. I have nothing else to do because all my family is gone. Gymnastics, football games, and I was left home so I could shave this face because I needed to shave. But try it. Let me know what you think. If you do try it, comment down below. If you do try it, comment down below your company name because I want to search your company name just to see if someone on the internet, someone was like, yo, dude, it worked. I basically, saw Premier Lawn Services. Yeah, I don't know where I was going with that. But anyways, that's it. Let me know if you want to talk about something else. I'm going to come up with some other marketing ideas. Free marketing ideas. Not free. I mean, everything costs money. It's going to cost you money to do. But more so just how to get out in front of the world. So until next time, peace out. Go mow some lawns. Go buy somebody's meal. And just have a good time. Live life. Don't worry so much about other people. Mind your business. Just do what you gotta do to be happy for yourself. I just watched something on Facebook that was like, yo. Anyways, peace.